All right, welcome back to Prestige. Today we're going to talk about a 632 big block Chevy, and this is specifically for an airboat. We've done quite a few of these. This is just a little bit different iteration and a little bit more complete. And this is kind of what some guys with EFI are wanting to gravitate to what we're offering with this particular package. So, take a stroll with me. I'll kind of show you what makes this one a little bit different. All right, so as normal, as usual, we're using Holley EFI. This is actually running the HP ECUs, so this would be the plug-in for the ECU. So what we have here is a lead off the front of the motor, and this is where you can depict from the very front of the engine. Normally, you have the engine stand and then a set of captain's chairs, whether they're up high, down low, and where's the ECU? Is it in a dry box? Is it mounted up under the seat? So what this does is allow us to custom tailor the length of the harness off the front of the engine for the client, whether they want 2 feet, 5 feet, 8 feet. And so you can see we've pre-built this for the customer. There's a Deutsch connector here at the end, which basically this will actually be a 4-pin. We need to change it. But this has key on power. It'll have the sensor or a ground and then fuel pump trigger, as well as a tack signal wire. So then it'll have a coil of wire. These are loose leads that you'll just hook to the vessel. Everything else on the engine is already done for you. This is really just a little bit more hassle-free way of doing it. Plus, it includes this really high abrasion and heat-resistant looming. Last a really long time. Everything is labeled, shrink-tubed, all the correct size. So all of the sensors, the injector harness, all of this was basically custom made by a local gentleman. Does these for us. Really, really nice job. We've left some extra length on things like the idle air control motor and TPS, just in case they need to rotate the throttle body the other way in their application. There's a couple loose leads for fuel pressure transducer. That's going to be to their fuel pressure, the transducer that would be in their regulator, monitor fuel pressure. You've got the oxygen sensor lead that will come down to the headers. But this one sports coil on plug. All of that is pre-wired, ground wires to the back of the head. Everything is done. These particular packages, we incorporate safety strategies. So there's oil pressure transducer. We have safety strategies to kill the engine or put it in limp mode in the event that it loses oil pressure, gets over temperature. So there's a lot of little things built into this particular package that just put it over the top. And something that makes this one just a little bit more special is actually using a stainless headers manufacturing headers, airboat specific. They have merge collectors, the O2 sensors, and it does have a short muffler, and then they can run a sealed exhaust off of that. And then, of course, the aux drive we showed you in a different video. Just setting up, double checking end play, making sure that these fit on there nice and smooth, no binding, so that way you don't have any issues with the engine. So this one is really, really a good example of pretty much a well-sorted, drop-in, ready, turnkey EFI 632 specifically for the airboat community. Thanks for watching.